Welcome to Benidorm's Mediterranean Avenue that rarely anyone shows to you guys. Let's discover its bars, restaurants and services, the forgotten places that many do not know about or do not visit simply because they're not on the British street or not on the front line of the beach. So many businesses are simply forgotten because they're not located on the side of many, which is strange because we are on the Mediterranean Avenue. That's one of the main key avenues here. But the truth is people just get it to go to their final destination point, so they're not really visiting many of these businesses. First of all, there's some incredible hotels in the area, which are Don Pancho Hotel. Will love this place. It looks luxurious from the inside. It's very comfortable. It's a very nice place. Look at these gardens that they did not so long ago. And look here. Looks like flowers are just falling from the vase, like a cascade of flowers. This is very nice. And are these? These are asparagus. Look at this. Some of you, if you don't know how asparagus grow, these are asparagus here in Spain. These. People actually collect them, take them, cut them, and bring back home and eat them. They grill them, they put them on the frying pan. Look at that. Right here nearby, we have Jitsu Holidays Holiday Service Center, which technically is available always during the opening hours. Some loveliest shops, such as Montiel. This is an incredible place that sells shoes made in Spain, as well as some other famous brands. But mostly these are companies and brands that are Spanish ones. Really good quality. They also sell some bags, both for men and women and children too. Good place, not the cheapest one, sadly, but still very nice. Nearby, we have the Wine Barrel, which on Sundays it is closed. They do have exchange here, which is 1.16 at least for these days. And they also have like drinks, wines, different spirit, like alcohol drinks to get in this place. Plenty of people are heading from the Sundays market now. As you could have seen, there's a lot of people out here. And this is the Philippines Avenue on the right side. Straight road towards the Sundays market. Danielo Di Luca shoe shop, incredible place, especially if you're lacking any kind of shoes for your holidays and you need them, but you didn't bring them with you. This is a place you can get really cheap, nice shoes, slippers, whatever it is, sports shoes, Crocs, different things, sandals, for a very cheap price. So that's where you can get these. A lot of us locals even go to this place because it's very nice. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get some nice shoes. Some sports terrace here, Old Fox Sports. This steakhouse and pizza place, which is Molta Pasta, Italian style terrace. Now it's closed, but it's going to be opening up pretty soon because it's just not lunchtime just yet. So in about 1-2 hours, they will be opening up. Cafe India, which is traditional Indian cuisine, as they say. They have a menu of the day. Let's see, $15.95 pre-starters, starters, main course, and accompaniment. Drinks not included, and obviously dessert here isn't included either. But it's $15.95. So if you would sum up a drink or a dessert, that would be more or less the same price you would pay in any other Indian restaurants here around town. Grill House is right in front of us. Also a very popular place. It's like a steakhouse, a bar. You can grab some burgers, grills, etc. 4 Jacks drink exchange bar. It's supposed to be fluctuating prices as a stock market. That's what it's supposed to be. Don't ask us more. But it's like stock tails. You can see them right here. Long acid tea, tequila stock rice. That's interesting. And you have to check the price, what it actually is on their screen, and it changes. I'm not sure if it's too much or not, but you're supposed to get some nice deals in these places. On the opposite side, we have some more typical Spanish shops. We have pharmacies, obviously. This one, right now, it is open on Sundays, which doesn't happen in all the pharmacies. But some of them, yes. So if you need something, there are 24-hour or Sunday working pharmacies in the area. Plenty of places to repair your screens of mobile phone, for example. Make some top-ups. some loveliest cocktail and drink places here. This is the Silver City. There are cocktails from €7, different offers for pints, bucket deals, 2 bottles, for example, for a better price and just buy them separately. 3 alcohol pops, €11. Bucket deals from 10 to €12. Daytime offers, that's nice. 2 bottles, $3.50. See, that's not bad at all. And there's quite a bit of people out here right now. It's gonna get only busier from now onwards. We are on our right side. We have the British Strip, which is the area with all the nightclubs here in the city. It is quite warm today too, but we're so lucky we are on the Mediterranean Avenue, because here, believe it or not, but the temperatures actually fluctuate around 4-5 degrees. This is the difference of temperatures from one side to the other, from like a sunny part of the street towards the part with the natural shade that we have, thanks to all these trees that this year they've not been cut. And this is the best decision the town hall has made, because just look at this. It's all shade. And it's a natural shade. So when we walk up here, we're not hot at all, even though somewhere on the Levante beach, for example, it feels like more than 30 degrees already now in the morning. But here, it's just pleasant. You can comfortably and nicely have a walk, check out all the shops nearby, go shopping, just explore the area. That's not bad. Sunglasses, €3. Wow, that is cheap. That is actually probably the cheapest sunglasses we are able to see here in Benidorm town. More repairs and phones and top-up places out here. Some money exchange places too, and self-service laundry all in one. Sport souvenirs, that's interesting. The M23, probably it's because it's Mediterranean Avenue 23. That's why it's M23. Just guessing, wild guess. Also quite full with people. People are getting here slowly but surely, grabbing some drinks, just enjoying seeing people passing by. Just like a slow way of life, let's say it like this. And plenty of buses driving around, picking up and leaving tourists here in Benidorm. Full buses. We've seen at least 5 buses like these stopping right now everywhere you go. On the British Street, right next to the Sunday's market, on the Mediterranean Avenue here, by the beach, Rincon de Loix, plenty of these everywhere you go. On the other side, we have some shops that are mostly clothing shops and some supermarkets. Also places to do some nails or hair or a pedicure or like a fish spa. Here on the right, more typical Spanish brands for shoes and accessories. The whole life shops that have been here for decades and decades. Also scooter rentals. This is new. This wasn't here before. Supermarkets, also iPhone, iPad, different types of repairs, and just in general a purchase shop. Clothing shops back again. And here we have another bar, which before was Chocolates Valor. They actually left the red, like a burgundy red color on it, and they've just replaced it with a few of their own, which is Jollies now. Here they have cocktails, bucket deals. They do have some food too and some English breakfast. Mostly we see here people grabbing some bucket deals. We've seen some groups here too. Not too busy because it is Mediterranean Avenue, but in summer it probably will be. On the right side, on the left side, we have Tony Roma's, which is a great place for a meal. Most people do go here for lunch and dinner, obviously. And people tend to say that it is a good service place with quite reasonable pricing. And the meals here are quite nice. If you've tried this place before, please let us know if you've enjoyed it. Here nearby, we have some more breakfast options and different types of deals, plates, $8.95, $11.95. That's not bad at all. $15.95, that's already like a sirloin steak, like a whole plate. That's how much it would cost. 2 for 1 for different types of drinks with the gins and tonics. Pizza for You, quite a nice pizzeria. Honestly, we like this one. We technically use it quite a bit in Albir, in our village. But more or less, it's the same type of work. It's the same type of quality. And it is actually very nice, honestly. Some things are slightly expensive, like lasagna. It's quite a small portion. And especially if you get it for a takeaway, it costs like 10 euros. But the portion is so small, it looks like a joke. But hey, it is what it is. Good food is quite expensive nowadays. So this is the cost we have to pay for when I get a takeaway. Another bulldog, by the way. Today in the evening, in the afternoon, we'll show you a video from an amazing breakfast at the Bulldog on the Levante beach. You will be shocked with the plate that we've gotten. I'm just gonna say it's a giant combo that we've gotten for our breakfast. We didn't expect it to be like it was, but it was incredible. So you'll see it in today's video in the evening. Don't miss this one. Meanwhile, here we have some more cafeterias. This is Gambo Saladar, which is slightly more Spanish-oriented place, but still there's also some tourists there for drinks and snacks and some light meals. The coffee special place, which is called Cafe Paris. This place is incredible if you want specific roast coffee from a specific country or a specific type of grain as it is. Here is where you will be able to get it and choose it from. There's nice tea selection. There's some things to accompany the tea and the coffee with, and it's situated inside of the Belroy Hotel. Amazing place for coffee lovers. We've been here once or twice, and I gotta say the smell of coffee roast is absolutely incredible. Nearby, we have some more things out here on the right side between the buildings. We have quite hidden Pepe's bar for dancing. There's some shops here with clothing. The bowling of Benidorm, the O-Zone, is right here on the left, right next to the Festilandia, which is basically a place with some attractions, some gaming machines for children, for adults, for everyone, and some attractions that are mostly oriented to children. Nearby, we have a beer house, also a very nice sports bar, but that works really well and serves some good breakfast. That's what people are mostly getting here, and it actually won the best sandwich award some years ago. Nearby, we have the Hotel Aguirre Springs that is from the Mid Playa group. We filmed it for you guys, don't worry, and we'll show you a complete tour inside shortly here on the channel. So don't miss it, subscribe and stay tuned so that YouTube will alert you when the new video comes out. Then we have some more places such as obviously typical supermarkets, banks, and obviously restaurants, something oriented to tourism. There's a mango shop right there at the end of the Mediterranean Avenue too. And plenty of other places that you could explore while you are here on holidays. So even though you do not technically need to go through this street, just give it a try, take a look, because maybe you'll find something for you or some place that you will be interested in. Plenty of bars, plenty of restaurants and cafeterias in this area. Definitely worth checking. And this is the same shoe shop I showed you before, but this is the second shop right here. Great prices on the same Mediterranean Avenue. Plenty of places where to choose from. There's souvenir places, shoe shops, bars, hotels, restaurants, cafes, pretty much everything you need. This is how the Mediterranean Avenue looks like, and the bars and the restaurants that hide out here that not a lot of people actually see. And there's some incredible businesses. We've stopped the video because we've gotten my hubby 2 incredible shoe pairs, super comfortable ones for the summer, like moccasin type of style. And the good part of it is that these 2 pairs cost us only 35 euros. One of them was like 20 euros, but at the end they made us a slight discount of 5 euros for grabbing 2. 35 for 2 pairs of shoes for the summer. Incredible quality shoes, by the way. Right next to the beer house. That's incredible. It only happens here on the Mediterranean Avenue and inside of the traditional city center. So plenty of shops and businesses here to discover. Don't give it a miss. Try it out. Discover the Mediterranean Avenue because you will be surprised. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Wish you a lovely day and we'll see you here on the channel very soon. Goodbye.